How to sell digital products on Systeme.io. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can sell your own digital products on Systeme. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now there are a couple of ways that you can do that, but first and foremost, you're going to want to have a landing page or a website or a funnel, whatever it is that you want to create. You can go ahead and create it on Systeme.io. Now, let me just show you some of the process that we're going to be using. So first things first, what you want to do is if we come over here onto TikTok, you can see there are a lot of people, trying to sell their digital products, whether it be, ebooks, gift cards, whatever type of digital product that people want to sell, they are selling it right here. As you can see, like this video right here, she is selling social media templates. She's creating templates on Canva and created this small little TikTok, and that is how she gets her audience. So if we come over here and go to her profile, you can see she has some different templates right here, right? So these are digital products, and over here she's created all these videos right here. So that's how you can do it. Another thing that you can do is you can create like a link right here underneath the bio. I don't This person does not have it, but you can go ahead and create a link underneath your bio, and that is how you can go ahead and promote them. A lot of creators are doing that, so that's why we are going to need a landing page, a funnel, and a thank you page. And luckily, we can create all three of them over here onto Systeme.io. First things first is the funnel. Now, what is a funnel? So whenever you promote a product, whenever they click the link or go to the website or check the email, whatever, they're going to present it with a funnel page where they can go ahead and sign up or send their emails or contact information so that you can create a list of them, and they are going to go ahead and give you the contact information, and that's how you can collect information, and that's how people are going to be funneled. So you're going to funnel the customers from the rest of them, and then they're going to be presented over to the landing page where they can go ahead and buy the digital product, subscribe to your digital product, whether it's a course or whatever. And then once they do that, they will be presented with a thank you page. So that's how we do it. So let's go ahead and create it. So once you first create a Systeme.io account, you will arrive over here onto the dashboard, and right here you can see you have a bunch of different options. So you have main dashboard, affiliate dashboard, student dashboard, right? And then you have funnels as well right here. As you can see, you can go ahead and create funnels over there. So Systeme.io is a free website, but there is a pricing plan which we will get to later. So over here, we can go ahead and click on create, and here we are going to create a funnel. So right here, what type of funnel that we want to create: building an audience, selling a product or service, and custom. We want to sell a product or service, so we're just simply going to say courses, right? Just for example. And over here, we're going to select the currency, click on save. And once we do that, we now have a funnel right here. If we click on courses, this is going to look like. So now we have order form. This is going to be the landing page. Then we have the thank you form. You can create another step over here, which is going to be the funnel. But if you click on it, you can create a funnel. You can say what type of option it is. So we have squeeze page. If we click on squeeze page, we go there. So we have a bunch of different options to choose from, right? And for this one, we just want to go ahead and create the funnel page. So I already have an inactive page right here. So let me just go ahead and edit that out to make it active again. But if you don't want to, we can go ahead and always delete it, and we can go ahead and create a new step. So let's go ahead and create a new step. We'll say this is the funnel right here. And over here, let's select the pop-up form, link in bio, sales page, upsell, downsell, whatever it is that you want, right? So let's say this is a squeeze page, all right? Funnel, we'll call it that. We'll click on there. So here we go. So this is the squeeze page. We're going to move it right up here. So this is the funnel. Then they'll be taken over here to the order form, and then over here. So right here, you can go ahead and say, like create an about section, showcasing your product. So whatever it is that you want. So let's say there are a couple of examples over here. So let's go ahead and create a template. So what type of template that we want to create depends on the product that you have. So let's say this is the template that we want. We can go ahead and preview the template over here. Or let's say this is the template that we want. We can go ahead and preview it right here. Whatever template that you choose, you can go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and select the yoga one. And right here is the step configuration. So right here is the step. So here, once we do that, over here is the automation rules, and you can add the rules. So whenever, funnel step from subscribe or page visited. So let's say funnel step form subscribe. So whenever someone subscribes to this page, this funnel, they'll be taken over to the order section, right? So we have that rule. So when we click on add rule, so now that we've done that, if we click over here, now we can go ahead and add an action. We can click on add action, and over here, they'll be taken over to a specific page or subscribe to the campaign, whatever you want, you can go ahead and do that, right? So right here, let's say they'll be sent an email, right? An email to a specific email address or enroll in courses, whatever you want, right? So you can go ahead and select any of these options you want and you should be good to go. Then once you do that, you want to go ahead and click on view funnel to go ahead and edit that funnel as well. Also, if you click on it, you can go ahead and edit the page right here by clicking on edit page button. And you can also change the different templates as well. So let's say this is the page right here. Here, once people have, checked your classes out, checked your product out, they'll enter their email over here and get free classes. They'll be given an email. You can set that email up later and they'll be given instructions from there on. So this is a pretty cool template. You can edit it out by just simply clicking on the image or clicking on the text and just changing it out, or deleting something. You can just simply click on this trash can icon and it'll automatically be deleted. So once that's done, let's go ahead and exit it out. Once that's done, we can move on to the next page, which is the order form. Here is basically where people are going to, go ahead and buy your product. So let's say you're selling the book or that yoga template, right? Let's say this is the template that you are, selling, or this is the pricing plan. So let's say this is the one that we want. So we'll select that and we'll click on edit page to make edits right here. And this is how it looks like. So here is the plan. You can change the pricing, change all the features that you want to add. And once people have filled this form out, they'll be able to go ahead and buy it, right? And once they've bought it, right, click on exit for now. And once they've bought it, they'll be taken over to the thank you page, which is right here. And of course, you want to go ahead and add the automation rule. So whenever click over here, whenever a new sales occur, let me go ahead and do that. You have exceeded the limits of your plan. So right. So we can go ahead and add a rule over here by just simply clicking on add rule button and clicking on new sales, right? So whenever a sale is made, because of the automation rule, they'll be taken over to the thank you page, which is going to be located right here. Here you can go ahead and select any of these pages you want. So let's say this is the page that we like. So we're going to click on this one and go ahead and select it. And there we go. So now whenever we promote our digital products on TikTok or any other website like Instagram or YouTube, whatever, via link in bio, they'll be taken over to the funnel page where they'll be presented with all the information of our product or our digital product. And then they'll be taken over to the order page via email when they receive that. And then from there, they can go ahead and buy that product. And over here, then they'll be taken over to the thank you page. And that is how you do it. That is how you are going to be able to sell digital products via Systeme.io. So it's pretty cool. And speaking of pricing plans and stuff like that, right here we can see this is the pricing plan. So there's 3 plans, excluding the free plan. There's the startup, the webinar, and the unlimited. And right here you can see all of the options that you would get within each of these plans. So right here you can see sales funnels. You can only create 2 out of 3 sales funnels, so 2 to 3 in the free plan, whereas in the startup you can create 10, and the webinar 50, and in the unlimited, of course, unlimited. So you can go ahead and pause this video right here and check all of these different options out. But yeah, these were all the pricing plans included. So that is how you do it. That is how you sell digital products on Systeme.io. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.